so you get the best of Google's AI. And what are you going to do with that AI? Well, what do you want to do?
Google's latest flagship, the Pixel 9 Pro. If you've been waiting for a phone that perfectly balances cutting-edge technology with practical design, this might just be it. So, let's get started with what makes this device stand out. First off, the Pixel 9 Pro introduces a brand new flat-sided design that's both modern and functional. The flat edges not only give the phone a sleek, minimalist look but also make it easier to handle, especially with one hand. If you're a fan of big screens but don't want to sacrifice usability, this design could be a game changer. The large screen offers a cinematic experience, yet it doesn't feel unwieldy in your hand. But there's a catch: the glass back has a slight lip, which might be a bit annoying when holding the phone for extended periods. It's a minor gripe, but something to consider. Now, let's talk about the display. Google has stepped up its game with a brighter 120Hz LTPO OLED display. This means not only is the screen more responsive, but it also adapts its refresh rate depending on what you're doing, saving battery when you're just scrolling through Instagram and ramping up the smoothness when you're gaming. And yes, it gets brighter, making it easier to use even in direct sunlight. Alongside this, the in-display fingerprint scanner has seen some improvements, offering faster and more reliable unlocking. It's clear that Google is focusing on making the Pixel 9 Pro not just smart but also user-friendly. Now, let's shift gears to performance, and this is where things get a bit tricky. The Pixel 9 Pro is powered by Google's own Tensor G4 chip. While it's designed to enhance AI and machine learning tasks, it does fall behind when it comes to raw performance. Compared to heavyweights like the Galaxy S23 Ultra, the Pixel 9 Pro struggles, especially in multi-core CPU and GPU benchmarks. This becomes particularly noticeable when playing high-end games, where the Pixel lags behind its competitors. Another downside is the storage. The Pixel 9 Pro is still using UFS 3.1 technology, which is starting to show its age. In a world where other flagships are boasting faster UFS 4.0 storage, this feels like a missed opportunity for Google. And if you're hoping for blazing fast charging, you might be disappointed. The Pixel 9 Pro is capped at 27W charging speed, which, while decent, doesn't quite cut it in 2024, especially when other brands are pushing the envelope with much faster options. Speaking of battery, the Pixel 9 Pro is equipped with a 4700 mAh battery, and the good news is, it delivers solid all-day usage. Even with heavy use, you're unlikely to find yourself reaching for a charger before the day's end. Durability-wise, it's IP68 weatherproof, so whether you're caught in the rain or accidentally drop it in water, the Pixel 9 Pro has got you covered. However, despite the sturdy build, some design quirks might not be to everyone's taste. The aforementioned glass lip and the lack of truly ergonomic flat sides could be potential deal breakers for some users. Alright, now let's talk about the cameras because, let's face it, that's what most people are here for. Google has been known for its stellar camera performance, and the Pixel 9 Pro doesn't disappoint. But it doesn't exactly wow us either. The hardware hasn't changed much from the previous generation, which is a bit of a letdown. However, where Google is trying to innovate is with its AI-driven features. One of the standout features is the new selfie mode that can magically add you into group photos, even if you weren't in the original shot. Cool, right? Well, yes and no. While the idea is intriguing, in practice, it's a bit hit or miss. Sometimes the results are amazing, and other times, not so much. The camera still delivers solid performance overall, but it's hard not to feel like Google could have pushed the envelope a bit more here. So, what's the verdict? The Pixel 9 Pro is undeniably a well-designed phone with a stunning display and some interesting AI features. But when you stack it up against the competition, particularly in the performance department, it starts to lose some of its charm. The Tensor G4 chip just doesn't keep pace with other flagships, and the UFS 3.1 storage and 27W charging feel outdated. While the design is eye-catching and the display is top-notch, these elements might not be enough to justify the price, especially when devices like the OnePlus 12 offer better overall value with superior performance and features. If you're a Google fan or someone who values AI innovation, the Pixel 9 Pro might still be worth considering. But for those looking for the best bang for their buck, it might be worth looking elsewhere. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth reviews and tech insights. Catch you in the next one.